Number 1. Hoist the reactor. Hoist the reactor by holding the 4 lifting ears at the bottom and put it horizontally on the foundation. The center point of reactor discharging port should correspond to the enter point of carbon black discharging slope. Keep the 4 air inlets of reactor in the same side with carbon black discharging slope. Number 2. Connect the reactor and the buffer tank. Install stator inside the oil gas outlet and seal the outlet by pouring graphite packing. Connect the bellows. Connect a 1 meter long pipe with diameter. Connect a buffer tank. Hoist the buffer tank to fix its concentricity when it is vertical and horizontal. Weld the legs under the buffer tank.